This is a public service announcement by the Anti-Piracy and Terrorism Organization, otherwise known as ATOP. This organization has been made to eradicate all terrorism and piracy and protect the waters and the land. We will do anything in our power to stop evil. However, doing so will come with a cost. There is always the risk of innocent civilians getting caught in the crossfire. But don't worry, that will top on a mission to make the world safe again.
Variantana ya lagu susarai gabalada Somalia udan ue susarai hayada iska sinta karanka. Daman radiada wa inaika fagan sibta sida ukada kayo halgar a yihin uruka ladagalanka. Budkad badida iyo argagaxi sada. Hadi kele luya kayana top haugalkan waksa uka kuban yahai karaksiada iyo dilka budkad badida. Hafargalin haulgalka aya top lidahai mamulai dadka ku kaga kabto inaisan fargalin. Wad ku mahadsan tahai tix gelintada.
This is an announcement by the United States government. Please pay attention. As many of you know, the Anti-Piracy and Terrorism Organization, otherwise known as ATOP, has been patrolling and brutally killing and destroying pirates near the Somalian coast. They somehow have access to high power and modern weapons, some of which resemble ours. There should be no way they got access to our military equipment, as there have been no reports of anything being stolen. We currently think that they have spies that know how to build some of our equipment. But even this doesn't make sense, as where are they getting equipment? The Federal Bureau of Investigation has looked into the situation and has confirmed no external government or organization is supplying them. We have classed the organization as an extremist group.
This is a public service announcement by the Anti-Piracy and Terrorism Organization. What is the matter? We help make the world a better and safer place, but yet you call us an extremist group? That is not fair. Not fair at all. And now you will see. You won't get rid of the extremist role, and now we'll show you how powerful we really are. We will do this until you see we are the good guys. See you soon.
This emergency alert message has been issued by the Emergency Management Agency and Civil Defense. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means the United States of America will be or is currently under attack. The Anti-Piracy and Terrorism Organization has opened fire on Secret Service and the President near the White House. Even after Secret Service men and women shot back, none of the bullets seemed to have any effect on the ATOP members, and they stormed the White House and massacred everyone inside. Every single person. The rest of Washington, D.C. was attacked as well, with hundreds of deaths and destroyed infrastructure. The attack seems to have been caused due to the United States government calling the group extremists. Due to this attack, hundreds of Secret Service men and the President, Vice President, and Head of State were killed. This has left the government in complete chaos. ATOP members have also hacked into government and FBI computers and changed their status and got rid of the extremist status. This is a warning to all other nations who have publicly stated ATOP as an extremist group. Reverse the status or you may face complete destruction.
Kapal asing, sila kenal pasti diri Anda.
Sudah sundasonggo bahasa Inggris?
Yes?
Well then, listen up, KD Karis. We, the Anti-Piracy and Terrorism Organization, have technology and weapons you couldn't even comprehend. We are invincible, and we mean that. You think you and your Navy are tough? We have the power. We are the ones you and everyone should fear. We can simply spawn anything in at will, as if this was a game. And you know what? It is. All a simulation. One that you are trapped. We are from the real world. Millions of people playing this simulator, toying around with your fake reality. And once the damage is done, we start a new save and continue the destruction. And our goal in this save, stop terrorism and piracy. You should be lucky that this time we are trying to help, but none of you understand. So now we shall show you pain. The Middle East, 8 hours. Something big will happen. Something that will show you don't mess with us. See you then, KD Karis.
هذه الطائرة تحت. يبدو أنها تهاجم. احتموا فورا. احتموا الآن. ندافع. نرد. لكن احتموا. تنبيه تنبيه ينتشر الإشعاع باتجاه المملكة العربية السعودية. ابحثوا عن مأوى فوراً. خزنوا الطعام والماء. تنبيه تنبيه